Hey guys, hello and welcome to the third episode of our Hong Island day trip. Today, we're at Laolading Island, which is the third stop during the Hong Island day trip. In the last episode, we had visited Pak Bia Island, and right now we're about to enter Laolading Island, where we are going to have our lunch. So guys, right now I'm stranded on Laolading Island and we have just landed from the boat. You can see our boat guys running to prepare lunch maybe. And the place is very beautiful. The first look of the place at least gives a glimpse of the beauty it has. It's a perfect example of a tropical island with rocks, trees and the blue ocean. It looks very nice from the first point of view which I am having. So let's take a walk around the island and see what more is there in store for us. You can see out here too there are a lot of tourists, and one thing I can make out is that almost all the tour companies which have this island on their itinerary, they provide lunch at this island, at this place. Because you can see many other companies also they are providing lunch to their tour groups. Let's come to the name of this island, which is Laolading Island, as you can see on the board, and it is indeed a paradise, as the guide had said earlier on the board that Laolading in English they call it Paradise Island, and it definitely would have been as beautiful as a paradise if without all these tourists on the boats. Let's see what's there. Okay, it's a part of the national park, Thanbroke National Park. Oh, is that a cave over there? Yep, I think that's a sort of a cave, and there's a limestone rocks out there. Where are my people? Oh, here they are. Let's see what's inside. Is it a cave? It's a small cave, not a big one. But let's go inside. Ooh, it's dark. And we're out. Oh, it was nothing, man. Still, it was fun. The place is really beautiful actually. I'm finding all type of different things out here in this island. There's a beach, there's a blue ocean and this limestone rocks, a small cave. It's really beautiful. This is the best island so far. Oh, I think there are more caves. Oh no. The tourists are sitting there, it's not a cave. Say what? Lunch ready? Okay, I'm coming. Well guys, it's time for lunch and you can see that our food is being served by the boat people. And there are a few items including rice and some curry. Oh yes, there's chicken. Let's see what food are there. So well, there's rice, a fish curry, a chicken curry, some veg curry and some snacks. Smile please. Hello Sunny. Well guys, my lunch is over and the food was good, especially the chicken and the rice. And you can see me walking down, and there's a toilet out here also for the tourists. So you can see me walking down this path and I'm exploring the island a little bit. This narrow path, I guess it leads to the other part of the island. And I can see there's a clearing and there's a sea. So let's see what's there. Oh, even there are a few tourists out there. They're standing. And no, this is a small beach, I guess. It's the other part of the island. This is the less visited part. People don't come here much. There's just one boat out here and a handful of tourists. I guess they're preparing for scuba diving or snorkeling maybe. They have the gear, snorkeling gear with them. I like this place, it's quite simple. Less tourists, very quiet and calm. I love this place. Well guys, we are back again at the front part of the island and about to go towards the extreme left. So let's see what's in store for us in this part. It's a very clear and sunny day today and there are a lot of colors all around the island. The island is very colorful. You can see the trees having flowers, the blue ocean, the colored mountain rocks. It's beautiful. Okay, so what have we here? Oh look, it's fish! Wow, that's great. So many fishes, oh my god. Let's take a closer look at them. Wow, the fish are so nice. Let's see what's inside. Looks good. Just get a better angle, it's not looking good. Yeah, this should be good. Let's see. Oh, the girl is trying to feed them a slice of a watermelon. Yeah, now it looks good. See the colorful fish, oh my god. This place is really nice. This indeed is the best island so far. I love the fish, man. And look at the view. So cool. Well friends, finally our time at Laolading Island is up. And we are back on the boat, ready to go to the fourth and final destination, Hong Island. You can see our boat departing Laolading Island and we'll be heading to Hong Island shortly, which is around 10 minutes from here. Well guys, how did you find our video? Do you have any comments or suggestions? Then please mention them in the comment section below. And please slap the like button if you like our video. And guys, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So see you in the next episode. Till then, have a nice time.